Hey guys, it's me, iiVoltageWolf. I'm back again. Since the moonlight is shining on me from the window as I'm recording this, and I know it's nighttime, and my body knows it's nighttime, that's why my paws are beginning to develop again. Yes, one side is developing faster than the other. It's normal sometimes. Like 75% witness this once they have the special elixir. I figured out a way on how to create this Werewolf brand drink. I looked at the ingredients. They were pretty simple, really. Water, some alchemic chemicals, and some special elixirs. Put them all together, and you got yourself the Werewolf Drink. And I have it right here. Got some ice in it. Just getting the dosage in. The nightly dose of the Werewolf Drink. Yeah, a little update for the trilogy on my How to Become a Werewolf. The first How to Become a Werewolf, thank you guys for your viewership, thank you guys for your support. I know you guys would support me in my transformation. Episode 2, not so much, but we're getting there. So, hopefully once I edit this video again, I can put a card up there or here. Maybe, I would put a card for it. And, this is the third entry. So, yeah. This entry is just about how to make the drink. Water, some alchemic materials, and some special elixirs. You can find these at your local magic shop. You can find these even at your local tavern as a rarity. And, yeah, other than that, that's pretty much the video. Just mix them all together. You got yourself the Werewolf Drink. And if you want to see more content like this in the future, like gaming, vlogs, and furry related stuff, consider hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel. Don't want to miss anything? Consider hitting that notification bell to get notified of all new content heading your way. And this has been iiVoltageWolf, and I'll see you guys in the next session. Now I'm gonna use the Force here, and you guys are gonna support me. You will do everything that I asked you to do.